Hello, I'm Natasha Reichle, Associate Curator of Southeast Asian Art, with an artifact. How can art speak out against injustice? In F.X. Harsono's Writing in the Rain, the esteemed Indonesian artist uses the performance of writing his own name as an act that reclaims memories of both his family's past and the dark history of anti-Chinese persecution in Indonesia. The work itself consists of 3 children's desks, placed in a row before a screen. The wooden surfaces of each desk has Chinese characters carved upon it. The characters spell out O Hong Bun, the name Harsono was given at birth. In the 1960s, Indonesian laws forced many Indonesians of Chinese heritage to adopt Indonesian-sounding names. As a small child, Harsono studied Chinese until the government closed down Chinese language schools, forbid the script in public places, banned newspapers in the Chinese language, and confined Chinese religious practices to homes. These laws were repealed after the fall of President Suharto in the late 1990s. Harsono had to relearn his Chinese name as an adult. Much of his recent work has focused on bringing to light acts of discrimination and violence against Indonesians of Chinese ancestry. In the projection, he is shown writing his name over and over as water falls and washes it away. While this work of art speaks to discrimination in a very specific context, it has remarkable resonance internationally. The scapegoating, demonizing, and disenfranchising of minority groups is a component of rising authoritarian governments today. And language, such a key component of self-identity, serves as a marker of difference. In the United States today, viral videos proliferate of people excoriating non-English speakers, showing the deep ties between racism, nationalism, and language. Writing in the Rain was projected in Times Square in New York in conjunction with the exhibition After Darkness, Southeast Asian Art in the Wake of History at the Asia Society. The work is now in our collection, and we hope to exhibit it in the near future. The Asian Art Museum condemns racism and xenophobia in all its forms. We are committed to making the museum a safe and welcome space for all and creating programming that fosters dialogue and connects people. Thank you for watching and for your support of the Asian Art Museum.